You guys have no faith.
Don't trust me, I see how it is.
I've come from games with Bastion and Torb on my team.
Dude, I was
They just have to have some faith.
Don't trust you.
It's fun.
Drop.
I really want to go to Sonic here again.
Shield breaking.
Oh, he actually pushed all the way around? I didn't hear footsteps.
Yo.
Oh, it's because he's
Back
just
up,
at
back
audio
up.
range. God damn it.
Alex up top. Let's take top left.
Sure.
Start over at the beginning.
Also,
Almost there, Cab.
Goofinator, subscribe. Jake No Way, Inventio, Vasti, Hedis the Menace. What's up, Hedis? He says hi. He donated $20. Thank you,
Hey, and they're
Hedis.
all here.
As well as Doji Star and Where's Ana? Where is Ana?
I'm going top left again. You got
That guy has no name. I want no name. That's sick. Please, somebody.
Yo, I got speed just in 5 seconds.
It's already
Ready?
just
3, 2, 1.
nice. One is
Waiter soldier.
There's
Waiter soldier with no name.
There's 2 right side, 2 right side.
there's still a hog in apartments.
Oh,
I almost said crap. I mean,
yeah, I'm dead. I thought I was full HP, but I wasn't. It's my bad. I wasn't paying attention. I really, really wish in this game I could move my health to the more center area of my screen, because even as a pro player, sometimes I honestly, I just miss it. Like, maybe I took chip damage way earlier, and I just automatically assume my Lucy has healer on or something. And so I walk forward, and I don't actually take the time to move my eyes all the way in the corner to double check my health, and it's really hard to see it with like your peripherals.
I'm looking for it right.
There's pretty much been, oh god, that's been like consistent like feedback that almost every pro player has given, I think.
I've got you in my sights. I must redeem myself.
Get that hog, boys.
denied.
Dude, it was Cab's fault. We were setting it up.
He's so weak too. Like, it's so fucking ballsy for him to do that too. Like, if I hit one more headshot on him as he's if I hit that headshot on him as he's coming around the corner and a scatter, he'd be dead. I just missed 2 shots when he was walking a straight line.
Reclaim my honor.
Soldier attacking me. Push.
I shall seize the pale.
And I got nerfed on PTR. Can someone confirm this?
That on is like free.
Customizable HUDs, but they'll ruin the experience. Blizzard. Nah, it's. I don't want a custom HUD. I want to be able to move a HUD element just slightly
So
more
I'm
to the
getting
center.
these things quick.
I am ready to unleash the
There's Zarya's like 2 HP.
How close is Ariel again?
67.
7. Well, I'm probably dead. Let's just walk slowly out of here.
Please.
Yeah, they don't have Zen ult, so we can actually use Ariel combo next
See
fight.
through the dragon's eyes. There is nowhere to hide.
Do we have Graviton?
95.
Shit, he's just sitting up there, damn.
Need healing.
99, I have it, I'm looking.
I'm ready when you are.
Hog behind. Hog sleeping behind.
Oh shit, I woke him up. My bad.
They're really split, I
have ult,
can't
I have
find a
ult.
good one.
Doesn't need to be a good
Still
one.
behind.
Fire at will.
2, 3.
Minus hammer down.
There's a hog behind. Hog behind.
Jesus.
They're minus hammer down.
Seagull on his nade now boosts healing by 50% instead of double. Are you actually serious? Or are you trolling?
A minor setback.
Also, they gave Diva's more health, so her health increased from 200 to 400, and they decreased her armor, so she has the same overall health pool, just some of it is now health.
This is sorry
That
up
makes sense.
top.
So it's less mitigation. It's actually really good.
Simple geometry.
They're
Peace,
Reinhardt's
dude.
low.
See through
You gotta
the
pick.
dragon's eyes.
We have high ground here, too.
Into the iris.
Go, kill them.
Tracer on back line.
Go, somebody come kill the Tracer.
Maybe it was not worth it, because it was actually useless, but hey.
Nice kill for Rashida. Nice.
Good job.
I think he only got one person that ult. Hold on.
Go,
I
we
got
should
you.
push him, push him, push him.
You guys push this payload.
That's hard. Oh!
Oh, he's actually weak, too.
Dude, that's working. Oh god.
The Tracer is the one who do most of the damage to everything. Oh, he was. Okay, I'm done.
I must redeem myself.
Moving the payload. Join me.
I think they got this. He just black hole. They should be looking up with it. They don't have Zen ult. Yeah, they got this. I'm getting carried. Feels good, man.
Marked by the dragon.
Let's go sit up on high ground where we deserve to be.
Here's her bet.
Good job, everybody.
Is this live? Yes or no? Yes, this is live. PTR just came out, and I haven't figured it out yet.
Zero. Switching sides.
Ooh, PTR patch notes here. Alright, let's read them. Wait, those aren't PTR patch notes. Now I found the patch notes. Emote wheel, biotic grenade is 50, health and stuff, Diva, hook 2.0, nerfed hack on Sombra. They adjusted the kill feed, so now abilities and other things are there. So kind of like, oh, so like the Half-Life series basically. It's really cool. I like that a lot, including hero icon and abilities. Ooh. What else? Looks like there's just lots of bug fixes. Those are the big ones.
May.
Ha! You're on my naughty.
Stars will tab looking at the PTR patch notes.
Our world is worth
You guys see?
fighting for.
The Ana is getting nerfed. Rodog Hook 2.0 is
Oh,
out.
I just heard.
Wait, what's on a nerf?
Yo, the fucking.
The
hog
50%
nerf.
heal instead of 100, instead of double now on her grenade.
Attackers
And then Diva now has 200 HP more instead of
New
armor,
Year's
so like they just changed some of her armor to health.
Nah.
I could do a better job controlling my temper.
Grenade for Ana.
They also nerfed Sombra a little bit with her like
Wait, they nerfed
right
her?
their
They
hack
nerfed
duration. Yeah, I don't know if they changed anything else, but I didn't read everything about it.
Yo, if
Someone was
anything,
on
they
my
should buffer
nerves.
damage, dude.
5,
I think they
I
should.
think she does enough
reduce her
damage.
spread.
She needs a different.
1. Attackers incoming.
I think I heard.
Seagull is a buff, not a nerf. Oh, never mind. Dumb. So apparently her hack lasts for an entire second now.
Snipe. Tell me if the sniper goes left. If you see him.
Tracer behind, Tracer behind.
Hey, Stream, you try reading stuff in less than 1 second and then like... Oh, you got healed. He would have died from that second right click.
Tracer's in.
Tracer
fire.
left.
Later, dude.
Tracer,
Peace, dude.
Cap, can you check the top left? The bottom
Look, Stream, I
left?
may be illiterate, but
Not bad.
I can hit headshots, okay?
Oh.
I'm on fire.
yeah, right?
I'm ready to start.
Nice. Charge.
Look
Yeah, he was the surgery now.
He still keeps trying to trick shot me. I don't know why.
She's looking.
I just heard the hook. I started
I
crouch
got
diving and I dodged it, but
You can attack. Sniper something. Still that sniper in main.
go Ryan.
Still chasing.
Jesus dead.
I can't wall up there to kill him. Here we go.
I think we're top right.
Yo, top
he is,
right.
he is.
Sorry, bottom, top right. There's three of them.
There's
right.
3 of them over there. We can push them.
I'll take that. Good job, good job.
Just worried about Roadhog hooking people while we're rotating back.
They
But I
have
think everyone's good.
no more Widow, no more Tracer.
Attack visor percentage, Soldier?
90.
Seagull, why does Ohio have such a manly voice?
He's going top. Okay. I have it.
Ultimate is ready. Come on.
They're all run right side.
Yo, tell me when you're gonna use attack visor now, so I can speed boost.
Let's do a freeze first.
Go Ryan.
Zen's still
on the
red.
bridge.
I'm gonna have to get used to like the ice block
Carry it down. I'm gonna hold it.
habits
Zen's
now
very
where like,
hard.
okay, I'm pretty sure you missed the hook, but I'm still going to ice block anyway because you just never know with hook. There's a lot of those, you know? I could have walled that guy if
Down
I
here,
was-
Ryan.
if I was paying more attention.
Hog's still there.
不洗澡。
Oh no, it overshadowed. I was gonna try and wall off the Zarya, she just couldn't ult. Fuck.
No, we got flash.
I am ready to activate the sound barrier.
That was my bad. I got hooked.
He's almost ready.
Well, they don't have anyone to get up top for this.
And they have no high ground, it's pretty nice.
If you get a good overshadow, you can hang him.
All they have is Roadhog to hook people off.
Almost ready.
Go get him. I gotta research this.
We need to look to fight early.
Yeah, I'll jump on them when they get perpendicular.
We have a Diva now.
I got knocked out.
Something above
wanna
us.
go?
Who's next to us, I mean.
Oh, what?
Wait, did he walk right as I turned? Did I even see him on my screen? Oh, he was right here. Damn it, that's why. Because I knew I was checking the church too. Fuck. Because I know I heard a footstep.
That could
And
have
McCree flashed me. He was going up top and I got hooked.
See, that's the type of thing though that doesn't happen if you just take the early fight. Because if he was going for a silly flank like that, then if you just took the fight, they would have instantly
Going
lost
to
us.
Ivy.
By its nature, not a very good play.
60.
Okay, I'm talking, not paying attention now, so this sucks. But I'll figure it out. There's 2 people in bank. Careful.
Anna and Bank, she's low. There's a Zen and 3 up top. I'm shooting. Get on card, get on card, get on card.
Let's get patched up.
Zen behind.
Sleep down.
They drew.
Chase. Let's go push him.
I'm on the Zen, Zen's half and Bank.
I got speed boost.
It was worth.
It's fine.
60 seconds.
I use mine, but Nano's at 50.
It's fine. Guys, don't chase too far. What are you guys
Come
doing?
on.
The bloodlust is strong.
Careful, they have a widow.
I've still got it.
Not sure I want to get set up again. I kind of want to get up top, but they have a widow, so now I'm kind of worried. They both sit
You should
here
have my Nano for your attack visor.
just for
Oh,
fun.
fuck.
If it's a Roadhog,
We're
I'm
not
here
just
then.
waiting in the
30
bottom.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm behind.
This is last fight.
You okay?
冻住，不洗澡。
I Okay, we got 1 kill out of it.
I'm on that. Sorry.
Whoa! Damn, that was a nice shot. Did he just flick to me? I want to see this flick. That was crazy. Or is he even looking at me? Oh, he was looking only for me. That makes sense.
We got it.
That could have gone
So
better.
we lost.
We got like 5 people though. We're good.
Juggling.
Final score. 3-1.
But House of Dead 90, Serially Not, and a 99 for 9 months. It says, I ate spaghetti for lunch, thought of you. I love spaghetti. Spaghetti's so good. ABS, Goofinator, Jake No Way, Inventio, Vasti, Arhetis the Menace, Doji Star, Where's Anna, All Hail Batman for 5 months, Suicide for 6 months, Vasti for 3, and Demorphus for 6. Thank you so much. And Furl Troy. Thank you, Furl Troy. See, this guy was owning.
Shiny.
Seagull, go play PTR. I don't want, like, if the balancers make it to live, cool, but the thing that sucks about PTR is there's not enough people on it most times, so you just get really, really, like, weird games. I mean, I've been getting weird games today too, but at least it's more, like, higher level gameplay and more fun for me to play.
Shiny.
Seagull, it's also a big 1.4 gig pack.